we came to Wild Abundance together as a mother-daughter trip.
Yeah.
I grew up in a family where the boys were largely taught these skills and curious about how to do it myself. So I collected tools and kind of self-taught myself.
Yeah, I think growing up with her, she was always like a maker. And I feel like I inherited some of that can-do attitude, but with no like training. And then I am an artist, so I'd taken some sculpture classes and had some like very like introduction to some tools that way. But it was not translating to the technique that it takes to actually build things and do the projects that were actually gonna like meet my needs on my day-to-day as a homeowner and person trying to fix things that are broken.
It's just been great to be here, start the basics, kind of retrain myself on stuff that maybe I made up along the way. And, you know, I just can't even tell how special the safe space that this provided to ask questions, to be curious, to try and fail. It was just amazing.
Yeah.
So,
and fun.
Yeah, and fun. Yes, I think I would capitalize that. Like,
yeah.
It was so much fun.
Yeah.
So I'll be back. We'll be back.